Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guide here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for today's security tip, what do you need to make sure you have in place on your laptop before you go to Starbucks? So just imagine this. You ran into Starbucks, grabbed a quick coffee, jumped back in your car and took off. And then you realize that you forgot your laptop. So you go back to Starbucks to look and they do not have your laptop. You cannot find it anywhere. So now you're really sweating. You've got a laptop out there. You have a bunch of company information on it. You could even have HIPAA compliant information on it. And now what do? Well, the first thing is what you need to have done ahead of all this is number one, you need to have your device encrypted. Number two, you need to make sure you have great backup software that's going to back up everything on it. Number three, you need to make sure you have a password on it with a screensaver so it'll automatically lock out. You see, if your laptop was left on and not locked out, someone would have immediate access to your confidential information, could insert a flash drive and copy everything off. If you have a TPM chip, if they take the unit apart and try to break in through removing the SSD or the hard drive, they're not going to be able to get to your data because it's been encrypted. If you do not have it encrypted, they can remove the SSD or laptop hard drive and they will be able to get and access your data. Now the reason you need a good backup is because let's say you have your laptop encrypted but you no longer have your laptop. Well, the thief won't be able to do anything with it, but you're not getting it back. So if your files have not been backed up, then at that point you will not have that data anymore. If you're talking HIPAA compliance now and your laptop's been stolen and you've got personal data on it, and if you also have patient data, etc. on it, you will need to contact a lawyer to find out what your next step will be, because in effect you've been breached. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to help. You may email us, contact us here. Have a great, safe day.